Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, then save the shape, select the save button, adjust the save confirmation, and then select the text option, edit by writing, select the size, adjust the size, select the font, adjust the font, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, copy the writing, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.